Good morning, grade 2. How are you? Today is Tuesday, 24th of March 2020. We will study math today. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to measure mass in grams and kilograms. Let's have a look at this picture. Now, as you see, all of our friends here have some vegetables and some other things. Now, what can we see here? Yes, we can see some apples, kiwi, strawberries, flour, bananas, butter, egg, and sugar. Also, we can see two measuring scales. We say this is a measuring scale, and we have here two. Why do we have to, you think? If you look closely at the picture, you can see that here we are only measuring two apples, two bananas, and here we are measuring more. We are measuring like 5 apples or more. So I need this measuring scale to measure or to know the weight of these small bananas. If I want for small things, little things, I can use this. And if I want to measure or know the weight of these, I have to use another weighting scale. Let's look in depth about it. Now, measuring mass in grams and kilograms. Jade finds a weighing scale in the kitchen. Okay, this is called a weighing scale. As you see, here you have numbers from 50 till 450. And here you have this letter G. What does that mean? This G stands for the word gram. Gram. It's a small unit. Do you remember when we talked about centimeter, when we want to measure length? We said that there are small, tiny little lines we can find on the ruler. Do you remember that? On that ruler, we found millimeters and centimeters, okay? And this is the same. These lines are for the gram. This weighing scale can be used to measure mass in gram. The weighing scales measure the mass of objects in gram. Look at the fruit and vegetable below. Can you guess their mass? Now, if you went shopping or if you go shopping with your parents, you can see that after they pick vegetables, they go to a lady or a man sitting and having this measuring scales, and they put the price and the weight of each thing. This is what we do when we want to know the weight of things. Now here we have other the same objects we have, or the same vegetables and fruits. We have them on scale. Let's see. So for example, the apple weighs 150 gram. Why? Because this pointer shows or stops here, points to this number. So that is its weight, okay? So the apple weighs 150 grams. We can write it as this, 150 and then G. The banana weighs 200 gram. The aubergine weighs 300 gram. And the pumpkin weighs 450 gram. In the next pages, in the next page we have Samir. Now Samir has a different weighing scale. Why? Look here, you have kg and you have more numbers. You have this number here, 1, and in between we have these little tiny lines. These lines show the grams, and the big one, the bigger lines shows the kilogram. Okay? How many is kilogram? How many gram do you know? It's 1,000. 1,000. It's a lot, right? How do we write 1,000? It's 1 and 3 0. Okay, now here if you see, you have the first 500 and here 500, so this is 1,000. It will make 1 kilogram. Okay, now look at these objects here, or these food. Now here we have something heavier than apples and bananas, one apple or one banana. Let's see how much or how many grams or kilograms they weigh. The milk has a mass of 1 kilogram. We can write this as 1 kg. So if you see this kg, it means that this is kilogram. The chicken has a mass of 2 kilograms, 2 kg. The watermelon has a mass of 3 kilograms, 3 kg. The flour has a mass of 4 kilograms. We can write it as 4 kg.